This is Mr. Eli, and this is Lesson 2 of Year 7 ICT. Hogan walks houses. Number 1. Open Lesson 2. It's already open for you. Save the spreadsheet on your PC and call it houses. So I go File, Save As. I select any folder of my preference. I will call it houses and I will click Save. Number 3. Rename the tab to Houses. This is the tab. I'm going to double click on it and I will change the name to Houses. Number 4. Change the color of the houses names to Slottery will be green. Robin Toes will be blue. There, I choose any blue. Huff and Puff, yellow. There we go, yellow. And Gryffindor will do it red. So change the font here to red. Number 5. Change the house names font size to 12. So I select all the house names and change the size to 12. Make the house names font bold. So I have them select, I will click bold. Number 7. Widen the columns so that all the names can be seen properly. To widen the columns, you go between one column and another. Have the cursor change into a double-headed arrow, click and drag. Number 8. Highlight cells A3 to B3. A3 to B3 is highlighted. Make the font bold, and size 14. Size 14. Done. As you can see, number now invaded the cell they call C, so I will drag it. It fit in the column B. Number 9. Insert a thick black border around the table. So this is my table. I will select the whole table. Go here in borders and choose the thick outside border. Number 10. In cells B4 to B7. Enter the numbers for each house. Slottery will be 8. Robin House will be 14, Huff and Puff will be 20, and the Gryffindor will be 27. Number 11. Center the numbers in cells B4 to B7. So I select them all, click here, center. Number 12. Highlight cell A1. Make the title size 14 and bold. 14 and bold. Pick a font style you like and choose a different color. So let's pick a different font style. Let's maybe do it this one. Let's get it Bakesville Boulderface. A different color. Let's choose maybe this dark blue here. Great. Merge cells A1, B1. So select A1, B1 and merge and center here. But now you see that it's appeared, so maybe I have to drag the cell, we call B here, so that it fits in there. Now it's merged and centered, which covers numbers 15 as well. Number 16. In cell A9, write total numbers. So, total numbers. Cell A11. In cell A10, choose average number. Average number. That's what I have to type. In cell A11, highest number. And in cell A12, lowest number. Done. Make the font in cells A9 to A12 any size, 12. Done. In cell B9, write the formula here. Oh, I have invaded the column B, so let's drag this to make the column A bigger. Now, number 18 says, in cell B9, write the formula to add up the total numbers of students in all the houses. So I have B9 selected. I go here in Auto Sum. I click and choose Sum. Then I select just the cells I want, B4 through B7, because those have the number of students. Press Enter. There I have my total. Number 19, in cell B10, write the formula to work out the average number. So I have B10, I go in the same place, click on the arrow, and choose average. Now I have to select the numbers for which I want the average, and press Enter. Highest number, number 20. Select a formula or write a formula to work out the highest number. So I have B11, I go here, Auto Sum, next to it there's an arrow, I choose Max formula. Max, and I select the ones that I want. Max between B4 and B7, press Enter. There you go, that's max, the highest number. Number 21, write the formula to work out the lowest number. So I will click here, choose Min, select them all, and I press Enter. So I have the lowest number. It tells me to save and upload. I'm going to just do one more thing here that it wasn't asked for. I'm going to center this to make it look better. So center. And actually I could do one more thing. You see that 17.25 has two digits to the right of the dot. I can do the same thing here in every one by increasing the decimal or decreasing as I wish. So I have numbers. If I want whole numbers, I just have to decrease everything. But that's just an extra for you, a bonus. Save and upload your spreadsheet. Save. And I'm done, and I now can upload to my Firefly. I hope you enjoyed this. That's how I did. Thank you very much for watching.